Should you quit your job and start a business in 2023? I'm going to go over all of the key metrics that you should have financially in order to be able to quit your job, because I did 4 to 5 years ago, and be able to start a business. First thing you have to realize is, and before I get into this, please like, comment, subscribe. We have been pumping out so much content lately, 6 videos a day on YouTube, including shorts. We're putting a lot of funds and time and energy into these YouTube videos, so please subscribe. It's free, and get daily content just like this to help you in your business journey. So the first things first is finances, okay? You need to have 6 months of living expenses saved up before you decide to take that leap of faith. And I'm not saying that to scare you, but just in case shit goes south, you can still eat, you can still pay your rent, you can still have your car, you can still have gas, you can still have, your time with friends. You can still have that balance and be able to take care of your family. Have 6 months. Personally, I would do 8 to 12, but 6 is usually a decent key metric. So make sure you have those 6 months living expenses for yourself and your family. And if your spouse is working or partner is working as well, make sure you have them have 6 months. So that technically you have 12, right? So you have that big cushion. And second thing is, do not live beyond your means. And this is actually interesting because you're probably saying, well, no shit, Sherlock, if I'm not making money, then how would I live beyond my means? Well, when you're running a business, you're gonna be just randomly thrown expenses of new softwares, a website, this graphic designer, this, app that I need. Random expenses will come up. Do not live beyond your means. Just because you have 6 months of savings doesn't mean you can blow it all on hats. And you've probably heard that phrase before. Also, when you are building a business, there will be times where you're just waiting on shit. You're not really crazy busy because you're starting from zero. So when you are bored or sitting there wondering what else you can do, boredom causes you to buy stupid shit, especially when you have money saved. So understand you have to control that boredom level and keep yourself fucking busy. Number 3 is having it as a side hustle first before you go out and quit your job. Start dabbling at night. You get home at 5 to 6, start doing shit from 7 to 11. Yes, I know you might have kids, you might have other obligations. I don't really give a flying fuck because that's what I did. I worked from 8 a.m. while in college, by the way, 8 a.m. I had 3 jobs. I played tennis at the collegiate level until 8 p.m. And then I would go home and work from 9 to 1 a.m. and I would repeat the same shit every single day, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And that's just how I did it. I was able to stay in shape, keep that balance of exercise and whatnot, working those 3 jobs, building cash flow, getting a stack of money there so that when I moved from New York to Orlando, I had about 11 months of living expenses. And that was important for me before I took that leap of faith. Also, number 4 is gonna be accountability. Yes, I want you to save your living expenses, but here's the deal. If you're not spending money on your side hustle or your business before you quit, your relationship or bad relationship with spending money is going to affect you while you run your business. You're gonna be more scared when you quit your job. You're gonna be more scared to spend money. You're gonna be more frugal. Start building that behavior now of spending money on things that you know are a good investment for your business, that you know is gonna help you in the long run. Do not get scared, because that scarcity mindset is gonna fucking cripple you, and you're not gonna be able to make the right decisions or move the needle in your business. And those are the 4 biggest signs that you should quit your job and start a business, or 4 key things to watch out for when you decide to quit your job and start a business. Those are things that I'll be looking for. And just 5, just to add on, is support. If you have family, friends, make sure that you have your right friend circle around you supporting you. And if you know a friend right now who is starting a business, supporting them is the most, you have no fucking idea. When I first started, I got one client on who just did it to support me because he just loved the hustle. You don't realize how much that can help your friends out and your family when they're trying to go on their own and start a business. It is dark, it is scary, it is fucking frightening. And the first thing that you could do for your friend right now or family member who's trying to go out on their own is support them. I don't care if you have to spend money. You don't realize that that's gonna give you dividends in the long run. As long as you are with them, you support them, and you care about their mission. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. Subscribe, please. It's free. We're at 4K now. I'm like so excited. I just love pumping out these videos. So it's been a really good enjoyment for me. But please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.